Nilamarjana speaking from Chakwa International. The civil service main mathematics is applicable to ESC, GATE, Isro Cgpdtm. Please refer related videos from since August 21st, August 21. Find diverse in R and find call F, call R. Here R is equal to X, I plus Yj and Jk. So if you put diverse in R, so if it is coming 1 plus 1 plus 3, call is coming 0. Call is coming 0 means it is irrotational. If diverse F is 0 means it is solenoidal. So call F 0, so it is irrotational. Vector 1 1 2 1 1 2 4, V2 2 minus 1 minus 5 2, V3 1 minus 1 minus 4 0, V4 2 1 1 6. Both are tell whether linearly independent or not. Put in matrix form. Then change R2, R3, R4 then change R3, R4 according to this. 2 row equal, so determinant 0. When the determinant is 0, vectors are not linearly independent. Not linearly independent. Evaluate limit x to the power pi by 4 tan x to the power tan 2x. Then take y, then take limit log both sides. It is coming L hospital is coming. The difference in numerator denominator solve it is coming y is equal to e to the minus 1. Find the coordinates of points of intersection line x plus 1 by I is equal to y plus 3 by 3 plus z minus 2 by minus 2 with plane 3x plus 4a plus 5z is equal to 5. Let this as p, then x is equal to what is p by y, y 3 by 3 z 2 minus 2 plus 2 is coming. Put x, y, z here, automatically p is coming 2, then point intersection 1, x is coming 1, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to minus 2. So 1, 3, minus 2. Then solve dy by dx plus y tan x is equal to y square into x, but divide both sides y square. Then take 1 by u, so automatically coming du is equal to du by dx into u tan x plus is equal to sec x. This is a general formula that du by dx plus py by qx. The general solution u is equal to integrating factor intersection q into integrating factor ds plus c. If you put everything, it is coming cos x by y is equal to minus x plus c. Here one AB rest and two point B and C. AB, B, C, C, D, let we have taken it X. Then it is found that beam is tilt when P kg force here, in separate D is Q kg force here. Take one, first to take the P kg, not here anything, so I to balance at this point. So P is the kg, so P G, G means weight, G means gravitational acceleration due to gravity into X is equal to W into X, this is the y, W into y is equal to pgx. So automatically, similarly in this case, this is the point. So this is from this point to this point x minus y is equal to qx. So qgx because q the kg. So automatically solve it. W is equal to W is weight of the beam is coming p plus q into g. P plus q into g. 7. Show that the vector is solenoidal. Vector solenoid means del f should be 0, del dot f is equal to 0, but here be same, it is coming 0, so it is solenoidal. Mind is already told, del cross f is equal to call is equal to 0 means it is irrotational. Value of the limit x to by infinite is equal into 1 plus x square into e to minus x dx. So here when put to x, so it is coming infinite to 0, then solve it is coming 0 to infinite, then make it infinite, put all hospital rule, the difference of numerator denominator, then you put x is equal to pi by x is equal to infinite, automatically is coming 0, so p is equal to e to 0 is equal to 1. Prove that if every element of group G is its own inverse, then G is abelian. When x and y are two elements of G are the closure rule, x, y also element of G. And inverse rule, x inverse y can be y, so y inverse is x. So already know x, y minus is equal to x, y given. So x to the minus 1, y to minus is equal to yx. As per this, so yx is equal to xy. So commutation rule is applicable. Commutation means it is abelian. Abelian group is a group for which element of commutation AB is equal to BA is applied. Is AB, BA is example. Here yx is equal to xy. In this case, the summation n equal 1 to infinite root over n divided by n square plus 1. So un is given here. Let Vn is equal to n 1 by n 3 by 2. So un Vn is coming. If you put n to infinity, it is coming 1. So when un limit n tends to infinite, when un by Vn not equal to 0, un and Vn both are either converging or diverging, but Vn is equal to 1 by n and 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is greater than 1, so it is always converging. So un also converging. If z x plus y is equal to x square plus y square, then dz minus dx minus dz by dy to the power whole square is equal to 4 1 minus dz by dx dz by dy. If we solve left hand side and right hand side, left hand side is coming 4x minus y square divided by x plus y square. Here also in right hand side is coming 4x minus y square, x minus y whole square divided by x plus y. So ls is equal to rs. It is satisfied. What is the residual function 1 minus e to the 2z by z for art is pole? Here if you expand e to the 2z, it is coming like this. 2 by z ko my 4 by z, 2 by z like this. So 2 by z ko first term, so it is pole is 3. In this case, if you residue at y at 0 at z is equal to 0 is 1 by z. What is 1 by coefficient? Minus 4 by 3. This way you can do it, that is residue, or in this way you can do it by the general, the standard formula is here. In the formula base it is coming minus 4 by 2. Both way you can do it. Completed.